Hi friends, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I want to teach you how to crochet this beautiful 3D flower. This video is dedicated to you friends. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains. Make a slip stitch in first chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Then make 14 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, keep going. I crocheted 14 double crochets and chain 3. Then make a slip stitch in first double crochet. Chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Skip first chain, insert your hook into the second chain, then make 3 single crochets together. Make 3 single crochets in each chains except my last chain. In last chain, make a single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in last chain. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch and repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Skip first chain, insert your hook in second chain, then make 3 single crochets together. Make 3 single crochets in each chain except my last chain. Keep repeating. In last chain, make 1 single crochet in last chain. Then make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 10 and repeat. I crocheted 15 times. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, then make a double crochet in same stitch. Make 2 double crochets in each stitch. Make 2 double crochets in each stitch. Make 2 double crochets in each stitch. This is my 1 and this is my 2. Once more, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make 2 double crochets together. This is my 1 This is my 2. Keep riveting. At the end, make a slab stitch in first double crochet. Chain 1, make a single crochet in same stitch. Chain 5, yarn over twice, insert your hook in next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 5, then make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 5, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 5, insert your hook in next stitch, then make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Keep going. I crocheted 8 petals. At the end, chain 5, then make a single crochet in next stitch. Make 9 single crochets in first space. Make 2 single crochets in the middle. 1 and 2. Make 9 single crochets on the left side. Make 9 single crochets in next space. Make 2 single crochets in the middle and make 9 single crochets on the left. Keep going. At the end, make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Chain 1, make a slab stitch in next stitch, chain 1, make a slab stitch in next stitch, chain 1, make a slab stitch in next stitch, and repeat. Repeat chain 1 and make a slab stitch all around your texture. I crocheted ending of petals, then make a slab stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then add your yarn. Thanks for visiting. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. See you soon.